What if the biggest wealth-building opportunity of the next decade is happening right now? Artificial intelligence is no longer just a buzzword. It's transforming businesses, healthcare, finance, transportation, and even the way we work every day. The big question is, which AI stocks could become tomorrow's biggest winners? Let's dive in. Artificial intelligence is expected to reshape nearly every industry. Businesses are investing billions of dollars into AI-powered software, cloud computing, robotics, autonomous vehicles, cybersecurity, and healthcare. As AI adoption accelerates, the companies building the technology behind it could see tremendous long-term growth. The first group of companies includes those providing the hardware and infrastructure that power AI. Nvidia remains the industry leader in AI graphics processors, supplying chips used to train advanced AI models. AMD is rapidly expanding its AI chip business and becoming a strong competitor in data centers. Broadcom is benefiting from growing demand for AI networking equipment and custom AI chips. Without these companies, modern AI simply wouldn't exist. The next opportunity lies in software. Microsoft is integrating AI across Windows, Office, Azure Cloud, and enterprise services. Alphabet, Google's parent company, continues to lead AI research while expanding AI features across search, cloud, and consumer products. Amazon is using AI throughout AWS, logistics, and e-commerce. Meta Platforms is investing heavily in open-source AI models and massive AI infrastructure. These companies already generate billions in revenue, giving them the resources to continue leading the AI race. Enterprise software is another exciting area. Companies like ServiceNow are helping businesses automate workflows using generative AI. As organizations continue adopting AI to improve productivity and reduce costs, enterprise AI could become one of the fastest-growing technology markets. Investors looking for higher growth often consider smaller AI companies. Examples include SoundHound AI, C3.ai, and BigBear.ai. These companies could deliver significant returns if they execute successfully, but they also carry much higher risk and greater price volatility. Always do your own research before investing. What could drive AI stocks higher? Several trends may support AI companies over the coming years. Growing demand for AI chips, expansion of cloud computing, AI-powered healthcare innovations, robotics and automation, autonomous vehicles, enterprise AI software, cybersecurity powered by AIA's AI adoption spreads across industries. Companies providing these technologies may benefit from increasing revenue and earnings. While AI offers exciting opportunities, investors should remember that no investment is guaranteed. High valuations, increased competition, government regulations, and slower than expected AI adoption could create volatility. Diversification and long-term thinking remain important. Artificial intelligence is changing the world, and many believe we're still in the early stages of this transformation. Whether you're interested in Nvidia, Microsoft, Alphabet, AMD, Broadcom, Amazon, Meta, or ServiceNow, the AI revolution could create opportunities for long-term investors. The key is focusing on strong businesses with competitive advantages rather than chasing short-term hype. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more stock market analysis and investing insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.